In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit delete filters in Gmail account guide 5 minutes. Filters in Gmail help you automatically organize incoming messages, so keeping them up to date is key. Maybe a newsletter changed its address, or a rule is catching too much. I'll walk you through how to get to your filters, review them, and either edit or remove the ones you no longer need. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. If you're prompted to sign in, do that as you normally would. Once your inbox is open, look to the upper right corner for the gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click it to open the quick settings panel. From there, choose see all settings. This takes you to the full settings page with tabs across the top. Click the tab labeled filters and blocked addresses. This is where Gmail lists every filter you've created, along with any senders you've blocked. You'll see each filter's criteria, like who the email is from or words it contains, and the actions it performs such as labeling, archiving, or forwarding. Scan the list and select the filter you want to adjust. It can help to think about what's not working, maybe messages are skipping the inbox when they shouldn't, or a label isn't being applied consistently. Understanding the issue makes the change you're about to make clearer. Now decide whether you want to edit or delete. Click edit to change a filter's conditions or actions. Gmail will show the search criteria first. You can adjust fields like from, to, subject, has the words, or size limits. Keep criteria specific so you don't unintentionally catch unrelated messages. After adjusting, continue to the actions screen where you can change what happens to matching emails, apply a different label, stop archiving, mark as important, and more. If you're correcting a rule and want the new behavior to affect existing matching emails, look for the option to apply the updated filter to matching conversations, then save your changes. Gmail will confirm the update. If the filter is no longer needed at all, click delete next to it. Confirm when prompted. Deleting a filter stops it from acting on future messages, but it won't undo what already happened. Labels and archive status on past emails remain as they are. You can always recreate a similar filter later if you change your mind. That's it. By visiting Gmail, opening settings, going to see all settings, choosing filters and blocked addresses, selecting the filter you want, and clicking edit or delete, you can keep your inbox rules working exactly the way you need.